Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with ACN. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to ride Wonder Woman Flight of Courage here at Six Flags Magic Mountain, about to go up 131 feet. Let's do it! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh! Oh my gosh! I'm out of my seat! Oh gosh, this is incredible! Woo! Ah, yes! Woo! Oh, the high-speed turn! Ah! Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh, mid-course, gonna rest for a second, and oh, there we go! Oh! Oh, the head droppers are so awesome! Woo! Oh, the airtime hill's coming back! Oh! And... oh! That was incredible. Wonder Woman Flight of Courage here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Come check it out. It's the tallest and the longest single rail coaster in the world, and also the record-setting 20th coaster here at Magic Mountain. Love it.